and I'll put like
Hey guys, so this week I tried the Victoria's Secret diet, but vegan style. I kind of just looked up a bunch of things about what they eat and then some of the models who are vegan and then kind of mixed it up. And I'll put like the calories and the macros of what I was eating. Let's just get into the video. Okay, I added a little bit of water so I don't die. I'm drinking it with a straw to protect my teeth. Madness inside my soul. So I added some frozen berries and I warmed them up, so now I have some bloody looking oatmeal. So this is what happens when you mix it and add a little bit of flax milk, which I'm not even sure is allowed on this thing. Okay, so for the salad I have this kale mix with like, I think it's cabbage and carrots or something. And then there's some, this is gross but it's actually really good. It's kidney beans with spinach and sweet potato, some bell peppers with cucumber and cilantro. And then there's some salsa, some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and avocado. Yay. All the lights roll down, I'm feeling high and drunk. Close my Of course I gotta add cayenne pepper to everything. Hopefully I don't end up adding too much like I always do. And then my tongue is gonna wanna die. Time to forget you. I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul and I can't stop. So wild, please give me a sign. My love so wild. So for dinner they'll usually have some vegetables. So I have the greens for the smoothie, and then they'll have a source of fat at every meal. Some strawberries there, and then I just put half a cup of frozen banana. And then for some protein, I'm adding a superfood powder and chocolate flavor. And this will just be good for also adding some more nutrients. So that looks gross, but it's not. And then I saved some of the fruit to warm up and put on top. Okay, adding the avocado to the smoothie made it so good and so creamy. It's just too good. Tastes like chocolate pudding. So I had to add rice, which I guess Victoria's Secret models do eat some brown rice sometimes for dinner with their protein and veggies and healthy fats. The only thing that I added was fruit and some flax milk. But if you've never tried brown rice with, well, short grain brown rice with your smoothies, it's so good. It's weird, but it's so good. So I never really drink coffee in the first place. Well, sometimes now, ever since college. But what is that sound? Oh my goodness. But I'm drinking black coffee now, which that I never do. It's not too bad. I did put some ice and water in it though. I don't know how people can like love this though. I'm tolerating it. My mother, she just stares at me when I film. Oh man. Yeah, I'm just tolerating this. This is not like appealing or comfortable. So I'm gonna take this with me to go because I'm gonna go shadow. I'm about to eat a lot of lemon seeds, but I'll just spit them out. Antioxidants, you want me to swallow the lemon seeds? I'm a mess. Oh, I have hummus! Yes! We've got some roasted garlic hummus. So we're gonna add, okay, hello, come out, come out. My lunch break is very short. This is what it looks like once it's mixed. I'm actually enjoying salad, and for the longest time I've not liked salad at all. Not at all. Like, I like vegetables, or I'll put like I'll put spinach or like greens in my smoothies, and I'll like cook veggies and stuff like that. People are like, oh, you're vegan, all you eat is salad, right? I'm like, no. I don't really like salad. But this week I got an appreciation for salad, I would say. So we have a snack that I'm gonna take with me to the rehab center. And someone brought in cookies, and like the whole place smelled like sweetness. And I was eating raw cashews. And like, I never snack on nuts, ever, because I'm allergic to most of them, but it's not my thing. And I mean, they're not bad, but I was sitting there like, I want a cookie, but it doesn't even matter, the cookies weren't vegan. But like, I ended up having grapes, and those saved my life because I was craving sweetness. Wow, I just started recording. Okay, so I was talking to myself. So it's about 5:30 right now, and I'm just a little bit lightheaded and like tired, probably just because it's the afternoon. But yeah, so I'm just having some water. I think you're supposed to have like at least 2 liters of water a day. And then my mom also made this lentil loaf thing, and I was like, we have some roasted cauliflower and this lentil bake. Yeah, lentil roast, I don't know. It has lentils and some other stuff that may not necessarily be perfectly Victoria's Secret approved, but you know, that's what we have, so I'm gonna have it. Whatever, it's lentils, that's protein, right? So veggies, protein, and then I'm gonna have some sweet potato. I mashed the avocado. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast to this. So I was out for a while and I didn't bring my camera with me, but I was so hungry. I had an applesauce and a green juice. So I'm just gonna do a workout right now and then see if I still have some energy to swim some laps. I made a protein shake. It just has flax milk, PB2, a superfood powder with some, it has some protein, and a banana. I don't want you guys to think that this is some like holy grail for weight loss, or like if you do this you're gonna look like a Victoria's Secret model. I lost like a pound or something, but yeah, it was a pound. I mean, it was only 3 days, so okay. I wasn't like purposefully trying to like not eat lunch or like whatever meals. Sometimes it was just depends on when I eat breakfast. Sometimes I eat breakfast like at 1 in the morning, 1 p.m. It was just for fun. I just wanted to try this challenge for fun and just see what it was like, and also do a vegan one because when I was looking for like the, you know, I try the Victoria's Secret diet challenges, they were all like meat, fish, whatever they eat. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have like some type of protein. Now I'm just kind of happy that it's over because I'm tired of being like, would a Victoria's Secret model eat this? I don't know. I'm not a Victoria's Secret model. Like, I can eat some vegan ice cream now. Oh, I'm just falling everywhere. I'm gonna go eat some vegan ice cream. About to put back that pound that I lost or what? I hope you guys liked the video, and if you want me to try any other challenges or like celebrity diets or something and make them like, why do I say like so much? Make them vegan versions, then I can totally do that. Just let me know, and I will see you